Joshi. I am student of Arena Animation Kalyan Nagar. After joining Arena Animation Kalyan Nagar, they provided many industry webinars and seminars. From the industry people, I understood how the opportunity is available and how the industry works. This has made me more confident that I can do well in industry. My teachers teach every topic and software very deeply. They show example and make the topic simple so that I can understand the classes. My teachers show the memes and talk about the lifestyle. It's make more fun and interesting the classes, which make us laugh. And but at the same time, they make us learn a lot. Till now, I done so many projects. I want to thank Arena Animation Kalyan Nagar.